The overall goal of this procedure is to use a method known as Tandem Affinity Purification to isolate protein binding partners.
Hello, I'm Dalan Bailey from the section of Virology at Imperial College London. In our lab, we work on virus-host interactions for different members of the calicivirus family, identifying proteins that interact with other cellular or viral proteins is a great starting point for investigating the interplay between the virus and its host during infection. In this video, I'll explain one approach that we use in our lab, Tandem Affinity Purification, or TAP tagging.
The TAP tag used in this study is an N-terminal tag consisting of 2 units of protein G and a streptavidin binding peptide. These are separated by a TEV protease cleavage sequence that allows specific elution. The bait protein, in this example murine EIF4E, is at the C-terminus of this fusion construct. The TAP tagging protocol is a 6-step procedure. After transfection and generation of cell lines, cells are induced to express the tagged bait protein before being lysed in a mild lysis buffer. 2 affinity purification steps and 2 specific elutions are used to purify the bait and any potential interacting partners. To generate cell lines, HEC293 cells should be transfected with the pMEP4 expression vector encoding the TAP-tagged bait protein. Cells are then selected with 100 micrograms per ml hygromycin B. Since the plasmid is maintained episomally, there is no need to isolate specific clones. 10 confluent flasks of cells are induced by treatment with 10 micromolar cadmium chloride for 16 hours before being scraped off into media.